Hello everyone. In this video I will make a tutorial how to make a bootable USB Windows 11 with Rufus. Windows 11 has recently become very popular and widely used, both in offices, companies and among students, because of its minimalist appearance and additional features that can make work easier. The following are the specifications for a laptop or PC if you use this operating system. Don't worry, if you want to keep installing the operating system even though your laptop specifications don't yet meet it. With this tutorial, you will be able to install the operating system on your laptop by following the Rufus settings that we made this time. Without further ado, let's just do it. Step 1. Open the browser you have. Type Windows 11 ISO in the search column. Then we directly select the official website from Microsoft. Scroll down, then we focus on the Download Windows 11 Disk Image section. Click Select Download, select Windows Multi-Edition ISO. Then click Download Now. In the Select Product Language section, here we select English United States. And confirm. Finally, click 64-bit download to start downloading the ISO. Next we will download Rufus. Type Rufus in the search column. Choose directly from the official Rufus website. Scroll down. Here we see that there are several Rufus such as Rufus Standard, Portable. There are ones for Windows x86 or ARM64 platform. We select the standard one here, click to download it. After downloading the sources we need, the next step is to set up Rufus to make our USB bootable. Open the folder, then go to Downloads, and open the Rufus application that we downloaded before. But, before opening it, first insert the USB into your laptop. This is the USB that I use, let's just insert it straight away. Then open the Rufus. Then there will be a question to run Rufus, we select yes. And this is what Rufus looks like. This is the USB that I inserted earlier. Then we insert the Windows ISO file in the boot selection section. Click Select, and select the Windows 11 ISO that we downloaded previously. In the Image Options section, keep selecting Standard Windows installation. Then we switch to the most important component, the Partition Scheme option. I will explain a little the differences between these two. Master Boot Record MBR is an old partition scheme used since 1983. MBR only supports up to 4 primary partitions or 3 primary partitions and 1 expandable partition. Laptops released before 2010 usually use MBR, whereas GID Partition Table GPT is a modern partitioning scheme that replaces MBR and is designed to overcome the limitations of MBR. Supports up to 128 primary partitions. Modern laptops released in the early 2010s have become popular using GPT with the advent of UEFI. You just have to adjust the criteria for the laptop you want to install. Or simply, you can try it with GPT first. If it doesn't work, use MBR. Here I choose GPT. The volume label is optional. You can change it or not. Others just leave the default, then click Start. In this Windows user experience, I suggest the two most important options above. Namely, remove requirements RAM, secure boot, and TPM so you can install them even if your laptop doesn't meet the specifications. Second, remove requirement for an online Microsoft account so you don't have to create an account at the start of the installation. In this tutorial, I set it up as follows. You can follow this or not, but the most important thing is the two options above. In the account username column here it is optional, here I changed it. And here there is a warning that the data on the USB will be deleted. We just click OK because we will make bootable Windows on the USB. Then you just have to wait for the process. This takes around 1 to an hour. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. Shows ready text if the USB can be used. Let's try to see in the folder if the USB has been filled with Windows 11 bootable files. And that's it. This USB is ready for installation. That's it for this tutorial. Maybe in the next video we will make a video on how to install bootable Windows 11 directly on a PC or laptop. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Stay tuned, and see you next time.